Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. It's Mark here with Adventures in Ecom. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I have, obviously, you've seen my playlist that I have created for Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. And I get a lot of people watching some of these videos, and I get an inordinate amount of emails from you guys asking me all sorts of questions about starting affiliate marketing and how to do it, and it's so overwhelming. I mean, there's so many different things that you can do to start out with affiliate marketing, and it's super easy to get lost in all of the shuffle. And basically, I have created a series of videos on little strategies and using these ads and doing this and how I did this on ClickFunnels, or, you know, these little kind of segmented pieces of information. And like I said, I get all these emails that ask me about it and ask me about it. So I think what I've done, and again, excuse me today, let me back up a quick second. I look this way in my best Fruit of the Loom t-shirt. Hair's a mess. I just got back from a run. And I know I'm not sweating, but it was about 30 minutes ago. But I was so excited. I do so much thinking when I'm running. And I thought, with all these questions that I've received, I'm going to create a whole entire series, almost like a little mini course on affiliate marketing. And we're going to start in the beginning. I've come up with seven steps. You can call them 7 days, 7 steps, 7 whatever, to really getting your mind wrapped around what affiliate marketing is all about from a 30,000 foot view, how to go about it. And I think this will help a lot of you really answer those questions that you kind of seem like you get stuck in the weeds with. There are so many different little tiny things that you could do. People, I think, get stuck down in those trenches and can't see the bigger picture of affiliate marketing. When you are doing affiliate marketing, you need to be the puppet master and not the puppet looking up. And I think so many people feel like the puppet. So I just wanted to run down a quick list. This is an intro video. I actually did a video on the mindset for affiliate marketing when I first got started with this playlist. You should be able to see it in a card up in the corner here. And funny enough, I was wearing one of the same Fruit of the Loom t-shirts with that. So I don't know if these like bigger brainstorming mindset type of ideas come when I'm wearing my Fruit of the Looms. But hey, if that's the case, then I'll just keep wearing these. Let me jump into this. First, I just want to say, as always, the reason that I am doing this channel is so that I can produce videos every week to deliver to you guys, ultimately so that it will help you succeed online. So I'm going to please ask you, subscribe to the channel. You want to see every one of the videos that I do in this series so that you can become a great affiliate marketer. Subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification so that you'll know when I put out these new videos. Now, let me run down. I've made a list of notes here, but I'm going to jump over and give us a quick overview of what this whole course is going to be about. So this is kind of step 1 here. Is this video, table of contents video, but basically we're going to affiliate marketing. Let me run down. I'm just going to kind of put some ideas here. And step 1 is going to be all about finding your market. People ask me all the time all these questions. Hey, how do I get started? Or how do I drive traffic? Or how do I do all these things? And ultimately, well, how do I get started is actually a good question. And watch this whole video series, and that's how you get started. But basically, they say, you know, how do I drive traffic? Or how do I do this? Or, you know, this offer or that offer and stuff. And I ask them these questions like, do you know what your niche is? Or, you know, do you have a passion, desire? Do you have any experience or interest in these topics? Do you know what it is that you're doing? Because when you know what you're doing, when you know that I'm an expert Yahtzee player, that, you know, I could talk circles around you if I know all about that particular thing. So if you know something, dive into it. I guarantee there's an affiliate offer for that thing. If not, then you're going to have to do your research and do your homework and really kind of get into it. But let me start with this. Find a market. And we're going to cover this very extensively. And finding a market, I have some notes here. Basically, we're going to find a market. We're going to see if it's viable. We're going to evaluate the traffic that is surrounding that market. If it's, you know, knitting, maybe not as much as, you know, how to make money online niche. So there's that. And then basically I want you to dive in. You're going to have to dive in and do research on that market. And as the series progresses, I'm going to fill this out and flesh this whole thing out for you more and more and more. Now, the second step of the 7 is going to be to test that market. Oops, look at that. And how to spell, or at least have spell check. So the second step is going to be to test that market, right? You're going to test it with some simple little ads. You can test it with direct linking to an offer. You can test it by sending it to a microsite and things like this. So step 2, again, we will flesh out and dive deep into all of this information. Number 3 is you really want to then kind of locate where the money is in the niche, right? So you want to, we're going to test out a few and we're going to find out where the money inside that niche is. There's going to be multiple offers we have to choose from. There's going to be multiple strategies and ads and all kinds of things that we're going to run, and we're going to help determine, and it's going to help determine which of these niches is going to be best and yield us the greatest results. So that was, sorry, I'm doing a lot of talking, but like I said, when I get back from a run, man, my mind just races. So we're going to test the market. Oops, sorry, I just wrote that. We're going to find the niche, find our niche market. Okay. Now, number 4, again, we're going to test more on that market. We're going to define and create some landing pages, some funnels, microsites, things of that nature that are going to be more targeted towards our audience. So we're going to test offer, the offer. Step 5. Step 5 is to find out where the market, what the market really wants and what it is that they are responding to. So what does that market, wow, my mind is faster than my fingers or my mouth. What does market want? So once we start to really kind of dive into finding out what the market wants, all of these little touch points lead us to the pathway to success. So once we find out what that market wants, we really will be able to craft the right offer, the right messaging, the right strategy that satisfies and answers those questions for that audience. Number 6, we're going to try to create as many profit centers as we can. So we're going to maximize profit centers. Maximize our profit centers. There it is. And then number 7, we're going to try to automate this thing. So, oops, wow, look at that. Automation. Wow, my fingers are flying today. Anyways, you get it. I don't even know if I can spell it. I don't know. Anyways, my keyboard is messed up. Maybe I hit the insert button. I do that. I do all kinds of crazy stuff. But we want to automate this thing, our sequencing, our autoresponder, our back-end system. We want to automate this whole process so that it works for us when we're sleeping. Because that's the dream that we're all trying to achieve, is can I make money in my sleep while I'm going on a bike ride with my kids or a run or take a vacation with my family? Can this system run and make me money and pay my mortgage while I'm gone and not touching it? You know, I think that's ultimately the dream of everybody that's watching this video right now, and it is super achievable. But I think that taking a systematic approach and breaking this down for you is going to help a ton. So anyway, sorry that seem like I'm rambling today and going on, and I'm in the garage. I wanted to change up the scenery a little bit and test some things out with this second camera over here. So if you got a little bit of value out of this, then like the video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you're notified when I put out these 7. I actually think that I'm going to make a whole series on this. It's going to be maybe 10 or 12 videos that go into answering all the questions that you need to answer to start a successful affiliate business. So that's all I got for today, and I'll see you on the next video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future videos, and don't forget to like this video. Now, watch that video next. Go ahead, watch that video.